So hi, this is a tutorial where I'll show you how to install this kind of Toko pack, okay, inside of Premiere Pro so that you can use them. And there are a lot of things that can be used, and like for example shapes, then we have transitions, and then call outs, and same way we have sound effect as well. Inside sound effect we have all kind of sounds that is very good to use. Okay, so how to do this? So first of all you need to install this, which is Premiere Composer. It's free of cost. You have to download it for Windows and then install it. After installing, you will get your Premiere Composer, something like this. You will only get the starter pack with Premiere Composer, in which we have a few text and transitions. And if you want to add something like Premiere Toko pack, I have three here. For example, I have lyrics pack, and then we have some other pack as well, and then we have this Toko pack. You can download this file that I'll share with you. You can just download this Toko pack for PR. After downloading, just extract it, and what you need to do is inside this Premiere Composer, if you don't see it, you will get it in a Windows extension Premiere Composer. You have to just go to user library, and there at the end you will have an option of add folder. You have to just click add folder, and wherever you have downloaded it, just search for it. Like I have downloaded it and kept it somewhere here. Okay, Toko pack for PR, that one, and you can just select the folder. So in a while you will see that all this will be applied to your Premiere Pro. And if you want to use them, how to use them is wherever your video is. For example, if I want to add something here, I want to add a sound effect, for example, then I can just go and drag it. I also have an option to listen to them. Okay, and what I will do is I'll just drag this and I'll just keep it here. And if I show you, you will see this. Okay, let me show you. Premiere Composer. Okay, I'll just add it here. So you can see that it is added there. This is the one. This is the one. Okay, this is one of the sound effect that I just added. Similarly, we have like other things as well inside of Premiere Composer. For example, I want to add a text like this. I can just bring and keep it here, and I have that one. And I can just adjust the size of it because all of them are in 4K. So I'll just go ahead and adjust the size of it, and I have an option to edit it as well inside of Premiere Composer itself. Inside of Premiere Composer, you have an option to edit them. If you want to browse, you can go back and edit is this one. Edit it somewhere the way you like. For example, poster here. So I have an option to edit them as well. Okay, you can see that. So this is how it works. So I hope you like this tutorial. If you want to see more on this, you can obviously go to my YouTube channel and then look for more tutorials on things like this. Thank you.